Hey, Harlem is all day.
I don't make trouble for me. Oh, you came back? Come on, come on. Oh, I ain't say put it on camera. Let me see it down.
Those dark and moonlight nights, I went with all my might. Yeah,
Oh,
this is a mixed neighborhood. Look at this, all this graffiti and a lot of police presence here, which is a good thing. That makes people like me who haven't been here for a long time and still think this neighborhood as a little bit too dangerous to visit. So it is good to see the way it is right now. Maybe later in the evening when it is dark, it may be going back to its original form, I think. But during the day, this looks very nice. I'm walking on this side because we have a lot of shade around on this side. That side, see, scorching sun. This what I notice is a large African migrant community. They have all their little, their native, I don't know, like the Ayurvedic stuff, their own version. But at the same time, well-known restaurants and restaurant chains and the independent restaurants, the whole thing.
Yeah, you supposed to tell me.
Okay, this place is Fluffy's hot chicken. Not on a day like today. Oh, and the golden crust. Well known, I think, Jamaican or overall Caribbean restaurant chain. Okay, this is where you get on the bus to go to LaGuardia. So the two places that I'm here to see, I'm interested in seeing are Clayton Powell, I think that's the State Building or something similar, and the Apollo Theater. Well, you also see a lot of down and out people. And their Whole Foods. Whew. Definitely very, very hot.
Let them feel the heat now and show it
What are these? I was going to ask him, but it's too music is too loud. Oh, this is what I meant. The some African stuff. Oh, look at these bags. Yeah, a lot of African. Clothes.
We good?
There are Target, Trader Joe's, and Victoria's Secret. Oh, something from Egypt too.
Like an instant.
Okay, so I have to bite the bullet and walk over to the other side to see up close and personal Clayton Powell building and his statue. Dude, I can't wait for the fall to arrive. Oh, yeah, so this is the Clayton Powell Jr. State Office building, and they have maybe the theater or a concert hall, events, everything here. So a good public service that they offer. Whew, I can't look up. The sun is so strong. So this is the Clayton Powell statue, and he was the first African American congressman, I think, in the US or in New York, one of those. And he is highly regarded in the African American, Black American community. That's where the Apollo Theater is, and these days it's under. There's a lot of renovations going on there. So I don't think I can get closer to or go inside, but we can cross the road and walk over there to see what's going on. Something's going on. Okay, so here is a Renaissance New York Harlem Hotel. Looks like the hotel had a revival too. It actually looks like a theater. Yeah, so Apollo Theater is going through. Somebody is not happy about something.
You got it. It's the best out here.
Yeah, well, Michael Jackson. Oh, thank you. It's too hot today. Yeah. You need, yeah, I need, yeah. Yeah, and the neck covered. Yeah, everybody needs my hat today. Let's see. Yeah, so we can't go in. So you need a card, I think, or a ticket. Yeah, see, a lot of construction. Well, Michael Jackson used to play here.
Só que por causa da obra só dá pra ver esses três, tá? Que é Smokey Robinson, Harry Jim.
Great artwork. My recommendation is also, if you are a tourist visiting New York City, by that you mean Manhattan, but it is worth making a detour for a half a day to Harlem. Interesting place. Things are happening. See that building? Oh, today's your birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, YouTube, say happy birthday to.
bless.
Yeah, you too.
Stay hydrated.
Hydrated. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
God bless.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. This is a good place to end my walk, even though this is a very quiet area of Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. And thanks for watching the video if you watched it all the way to the end. If not, make sure you watch it, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and that would be a great help. I will see you in the next video. Bye.